So here we are on our way up to the petrol station to put some fuel in the MG. So the first question is going to be, how long's this mic lead? That's the first question. Second question will be, will it make it up to the fuel station without cutting out and doing silly things? Started. Seems alright. Look at it, it looks tiny on the road these days. It's like it's just gone past that Astra. Looks tiny. So it is a bit like a before and after, really. Because I'd say an MGTF is an MGF. Is it going that way? Or maybe it's not running as he wanted it to. Oh well. An MGTF and Fs are pretty much like the modern equivalent to the MGBs. So it just seems to be struggling a bit. So maybe it's back for tinker time. Oh well, it was worth its shot, weren't it? These brake lights don't work. Just putting it back on driveway, I think. If I can manage to get Margaret down on this bit of pavement without it bottoming in out. And there we have it, a mini trip out. Yeah, let's have another go in a bit.